Now what I have here is our most advanced, top of the line, latest technology 3D printer as of yet. This is the biggest one that we make, and it does print with very fine detail. It prints big figurines like this. For some of you dog lovers like pit bulls or Rottweilers, here's an example. It makes 3D lights. You can change the color of the light. It actually makes this. And you can purchase our scanner also to scan something, or you can use one of the programs that it comes pre-programmed with, or you can download from the internet programs that are free. Cost-effective printer here, and it's our most advanced one yet. Now look here, and you can see how it is pre-packaged, ready for you to assemble. Just like getting a piece of furniture from IKEA, you take it home, you assemble it. This one is about the same amount of work put into it to make this 3D printer DIY, do it yourself, and it's fun to build, and you can be proud of the things you make with it because you built the printer yourself. It's not too terribly difficult to build. Even a 10-year-old can print it and build with it. This is our most advanced printer yet. It does come in a package, as you can see here, that you do have to assemble, but it's well worth the effort.